In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Wrike. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're managing a team or just trying to stay organized personally, being able to view completed tasks easily is a key part of effective project management. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Wrike's website by typing wrike.com into your browser. Once the page loads, you'll find a login button located at the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your email and password to access your workspace. This will bring you to the dashboard where all your projects and tasks live. Navigating to the relevant project or folder is our next step. You'll want to select the project or folder that contains the tasks you're interested in. This is crucial as it narrows down your search and helps you focus on the tasks pertinent to your current needs. Once you've located your project or folder, click on it to open the tasks view. Here you'll notice there's an active filter by default. This filter ensures that only active tasks are visible to keep your workspace organized and not cluttered. However, since we're interested in seeing completed tasks, we need to modify this filter setting. Now hover your cursor over the active filter. As you do this, you'll see an X appear next to it. Go ahead and click on this X to remove the filter. By doing so, you reveal all tasks associated with the project or folder, including those that have been marked as completed. Moving on, let's talk about creating a report to view your completed tasks. This step is particularly useful if you want a more detailed overview or need to present the data to someone else. Start by creating a new report in Wrike. This feature is versatile and allows for specific data representation based on your requirements. In the report settings, you'll want to select either all tasks or completed tasks, depending on what you need. Choosing completed tasks focuses the report on tasks that you or your team have finished, which can be quite helpful for wrapping up project phases or for performance reviews. Furthermore, to enhance the report's usefulness, you can add additional filters. Choose criteria such as specific projects, folders, or even time periods. This customization is handy for tailoring the report to show precisely what you want or need to analyze. By following these steps, you can effectively track and view completed tasks across different projects and timeframes in Wrike. This method not only keeps your workflow organized, but also helps in evaluating team performance and project progress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your task management in Wrike.